Hey guys, Robin, Next Gen Writer here. So if you landed on this video because you genuinely want to understand what the recording frame rate is of the cameras on a Chigee XR2 motorcycle writing system, let me tell you, they record at 30 frames per second. They do not record at 60 frames per second. Now the Chigee XR2 does have a 60 frame per second refresh rate on the display, and I think that's where maybe the confusion comes from. So you don't have to take my word for it. I was confused. I went to the Facebook group, Chigee group, and asked Chigee Global to clarify, and they said yes, there was some misinformation out there. Actually, their Amazon ads weren't quite accurate, but they clarified that it does not record at 60 frames per second. So that's the facts. So I'm putting this video up as a bit of an experiment, because even after Chigee's corrections, if you go out and look at a search for the keyword Chigee XR2 recording frame rate, it still pulls up like this BS YouTube video. And it still wants to tell us, as an authority at the very top of the search results, that the XR2 records at 60 frames per second. So a lot of guys are a fan of this AI overview. I got a message from a guy that he did a video on a product and then immediately tied his video into AI overview. And you know, that's all great if the information is accurate. But quite often with this AI overview, it is not. So let me tell you what you can do about it. There's an extension out there called Bye Bye Google AI. And you can add it to Chrome, and it just turns that garbage off. So you can see here I have the search result for XR2 recording frame rate, and there's the same wrong video. So what I'll do is I'll come in here and I'll turn on the extension, and then I'll refresh this search term, and now we go straight to Chigee. We go to Chigee, we go to their Amazon ads, and then in number 3 position is the actual definitive answer in the Chigee group that clarifies what the recording frame rate is. So I'm going to run this. I'll keep tabs on it. I'm going to put this video up as a bit of an experiment and see. You know, I'm a small channel. I hardly have any subscribers. I don't know if they'll pay attention to me or not. But we'll see what the result is. I'm kind of curious. Anyway, thanks for being part of my experiment and watching the video if you made it this far, and we'll see you next time.